Alright, here is the Nokia N96 North American version from the N-Series block. So here we have the box, and let's see the phone. Here is it, the Nokia N96. As you can see, a bigger phone than the N85. A lot bigger. Has a bigger screen, bigger body, everything. Here is a nice kickstand. Works pretty well. I don't like that doesn't have a slider to cover the camera like the N85. So let's turn the N96 on. Here is the battery. Let's see how this phone powers up. Okay, here. Then it's a very big phone when you actually hold it in your hand. The N85 is less wide, but amazingly this phone is lighter. This phone is much heavier. I actually can't feel any weight on this phone. As you can see, a much bigger screen. But here I can tell the difference between the AMOLED screen from the N85 and the standard screen from the N96. This one looks better colors and everything. Alright, so I forgot the unboxing. So here we have the same headset as on all N-Series devices. The charger with the TV out and the USB cable. Let's see. Ooh, a car charger. This is a nice addition, I must say. Here, as in the N85, a free N-Gage game. Well, these are manuals. Here is OV. I think it's just an advertising. No licenses. And the quick start guide. Alright, so stay tuned for further covering on the N96 and the N85 from the N-Series block.